Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome to you. I hope that you would consider becoming a co-star on this channel. If you want to do that, hit that subscribe button below. If you need a little bit of time, trust me, I get it. Check out this video all the way to the end and then maybe look through my library, see if there's something there that makes you want to stay, okay? But today, we are going to be jumping right into how I made this beautiful light fixture right here with a plastic trash basket and some crepe paper. Okay, you can do it. I'm also going to show you my inspiration, and I can tell you my inspiration light fixture is about $1,400, maybe more. But anyway, I just kind of want to show you guys this real quick, but we're going to dive right into it. This is going to be a really quick video just to show you how you can take things that are inexpensive and make them look dope as fuck.
Hold up.
But first, do you remember this? Oh, I did buy this little thingamabob, which I think I'm going to turn into a lamp. Another DIY, let's MacGyver some shit. Right? Okay, you see it? Can you see it? You see it? Lamp? Maybe? I don't know. Okay, let's shed some light on how I created this beautiful light fixture. I started with this plastic wastebasket, and then I got some crepe paper from the craft store. This is pretty heavy duty. I cut it down to pieces to make my life a little bit easier and more organized. And then I would bunch it up before I put it in. I wanted to have that wrinkle effect. So as you can see, I would then take the piece that I had, twist it at the end, and then run it through all of these holes. And I gotta tell you, there were a lot of holes to fill. And if you have time, then do this. If you don't, then don't. As you can see, there was over 300 holes in these waste paper baskets. So there was time when I just got on the phone with one of my homegirls and talked while I did the work, or listened to a podcast. So just remember, you can do it during those times. This is what it looks like from the inside, and then I would just go ahead and fill some and then move on. The total project took about 7 or 8 hours to complete, which I did over a number of days. I started getting really excited when I could see it coming together, and I was like, oh my God, this is going to be so cute. I mean, I had to go back to the store and get more tissue paper because I had run out. I definitely knew I didn't have enough, but it was absolutely worth it. If you are getting any ideas or inspiration from this video, please do me a favor and hit that like button for me and leave a comment or an emoji. Let me know if this is something that you would try in your spare time. I use that statement, spare time, reluctantly because I know we are all so busy. But look how beautiful this came out. This is definitely going to be a statement piece in my guest room. You can use this in any room for that matter. The next thing that I did was I went ahead and spray painted the top of it because it was black. And I wanted to make sure when I went to put the other pieces on, which I was going to do with hot glue, that the black wasn't going to stick out. So while we're here, let's go ahead and take a look at my inspiration for this light fixture. These are super cute, as you can see, but also very expensive. And you know me, I need to MacGyver some shit, so I did. The next step was for me to go ahead and add the crepe paper around the edges where there were no holes. I did that with my hot glue gun, and I also reduced the size of the crepe paper so that it would give me a full circle. If I made them just as long, then it wouldn't give me that circle look like this. I mean, look at this thing, guys. It's such a statement piece for an upcycled waste paper basket. Let's talk about the price. You saw what my inspiration cost, but I spent about $8 for the crepe paper. They're about $1 a pack, and I used 8 packs. And the waste basket was about $4, but it should have been $1. So check the dollar store first.
And then there was the pendant corded light that I used. Let me show you right here. I got that from Amazon. It was a little over 15 bucks, and you can also get it in a white color and some other flavors. As you can see here, I have now filled in the entire top using the hot glue gun and the crepe paper. And remember, the pieces are a little bit smaller as you get closer to the top. I went ahead and drilled out a hole just wide enough to fit the threaded piece through it. I also used LED bulbs, guys, because they don't get as hot, so make sure you follow my link for that. Once you have the two pieces separated, you feed it through, and then you can tighten it down, put your bulb in, and she ready. Not bad for under 30 bucks, right, guys? She is going to be such a staple in my guest room. Everything is linked below. Also, you can get the casing that I used for the cord management through Amazon, as well as crepe paper, and you can also find a plastic bin through Amazon. You can also find them at the dollar store as well. But I'm gonna link the things below. I will do a shop this video link, and then you guys can go and check it all out in my Amazon store. I also have curated a lot of catalogs just based off of things that you need in the home, as well as tech and gear that I use is also in there as well. And hey, what do you think of my bright idea? Do you like it? I love it. I just want to make sure that I let you guys know underneath you have that plastic rim of the wastebasket. Make sure that you have enough crepe paper that you can tuck in towards the center so you don't see the plastic. Would you do something like this in your decor? Let's see how it looks in mine. Okay guys, I hope you got something good out of that. And then you'll start looking at little plastic trash bins like, ooh, I can make a lamp out of that. You sure can. You sure can. And I will be giving you guys a full tour of this room. I just want to give you the details and intricacies that went into the creation of the hive. That's what this room is called. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos previous to this one, you will see why I call it the hive. But I'll tell you, there's a lot of bees in here. There is my honeycomb pillows. There's flowers everywhere. There's just a lot going on that I really want to point out all these details before I just give you a tour of the room, because a lot of love went into the making of the hive. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the comments. Please don't forget to hit that like button. And again, if you want to subscribe, it's free. It's even free to hit the like button and leave a comment for me. If you don't know what to say, go ahead and drop an emoji. That helps. It tells the algorithm that maybe somebody else wants to see this video, and it'll help build my channel for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If there's someone else out there that you think that might benefit from seeing this video, please do me a favor, share. I'll see you in the next video, and there's something here at the end of this video that you might want to check out. Okay? I love you. Bye! Thanks so much, guys. If you made it all the way to the end, go ahead and type in beehive in the comments for me. And check out another video if you have the time. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.